If you are worried about adding page numbers to your Word document, then this video is for you. If you wanna add page numbers to each Word document or page, then you just need to open the MS Word, and then here you can see an option of insert option. When you click on insert, this will appear to you, and here you can see an option of page number. When you click on page number, it will show you different options. Either you want to add page number on the top of document or on the bottom, or page margins on the side, or anything, any like current position in the form of or either in the form of different current positions in the form of page or one like this. Then you can select the page number according to choice. If you want to add on the bottom of page, you can go to bottom, and then if you want to add in center, then you can click on second option. If you want to add on the left side, you can click on first one. If you want to add it on the right side, you can click on third option, and so on. So here in this way you can select the page number, and where that page number will be placed, you can select according to your choice. Okay, so if you want to change the style of page number, then you can go to format page number, and here you can see this current format is in counting form 1 to 3. If you want to make it as bar 1 bar 2 like this form, you can click on here and then click on OK. So the page number on at the bottom will appear like this one, like a bar on both side of number. Or either if you want to change it further, you can again go to format page number, and then you can select as small ABC, capital, or in other kind of formatting. So if you want to keep it as 1 to 3, but you want to start this page number from different number rather than rather than 1, then you can click on this option start at. If you want that your page number will start from 10, then you can write it as 10 here, and then click on OK. Then your page number in the bottom will start from 10. Okay, so same way you can also do the formatting for this page number as well. You can also do it manually, or you can do it again from the page format page number. Okay, so in this way you can add page number to your document. You can edit it, you can use different style of page numbering, and you can start from different numbers according to your choice. So this is the simple way of adding page numbers to MS Word. I hope this video helps you in understanding of this basic and simple step of adding page numbers. In coming videos we will discuss some more interesting topics. Till then, Allah Hafiz.